You've watched so many videos on YouTube trying to know how to do CPA marketing on the right way, but you've tried as much as you can, but it's not working for you. This is the reason why I'm making this video. I just want to show you the reason why it's not working. You've tried self-clicking. Every tutorial that you've seen on YouTube, you've tried, it's not working for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do all these things and make money online as a CPA marketer. But before then, if today be your first time seeing me on the internet, hello guys, my name is Richmond and welcome back to my channel. And on this channel, what we do is to teach you how to make money online. So if today be your first time seeing me on the internet, what you need to do is to help me is to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, and then drop down all your comments. I'll be there to help you out. Let's dive into today's method. Alright, so you've tried so many times trying to do self-clicking, but it's not working just because you are not doing it the right way. So in this video, I'm going to review to you how you can do it and make money online with CPA marketing. But this platform is known as Astera. I'm going to use it as an example website for you. So what you need to do is to come to this section where it says sign up over here, and you sign up as a publisher because you are going to make money online. So it says monetize your website or other traffic. So you sign up as a publisher over here. But I think I have an account with this Astera platform. So let me show you how the sign up page looks like. So but whilst it's loading, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube notifications instantly, guys. So this is it. You type in your email, your full name over here. Sorry guys. Alright, so because I already have an account, it has already logged me into that, but I'm gonna log out of this account to show you guys how you can sign up with Astera. Okay, so let me go to this section over here. Alright, so I'm going to log out of this account over here to show you guys how you can sign in with Astera over here. Alright, so I'm going to click on sign up right over this section. I'm going to click on sign up for an account just to show you how to sign up with Astera. I know most of you know Astera, and it's a very good platform when it comes to CPA marketing. So you can see over here where it says email, your full name over here, your login, which is known as your nickname or your username, and you come to the section where it says password, and you select one of these social media icons over here. And then last but not the least, you insert your payment method, which I will expect you do it that later. But the reason why I love Astera is that they allow you to withdraw through cryptocurrency. So you can use Tether TRC20 or ERC20 and bitcoins over here. So it's very good for anyone, and you can use via transfer and all the payment method over here. So once I've told you, already showed you everything, after doing that, you just verify that you're a human being because it's being protected by Cloudflare. And last but not the least, all you need to do is to accept their terms of service, and you are right to go. After doing that, you just have to sign up and then verify your email, and simple as that, you are right, or you are in to go. Right, let me log into my account because I already have an account over here. I have to log into that and then show you guys what I'm going to talk about in this video. Alright, so after signing up for an account, this is the dashboard that you're going to see after you creating your account. It's going to show 00 over here, and if you highlight everything or click on this drop down menu over here, it's going to show 00000. So in this video, I'm going to show you the reason why your CPA network or CPA marketing platforms are not paying you guys. So what I'm going to do over here is to clarify things for you. So most of you have received a lot of comment that CPA marketing self-clicking doesn't work. This is because you are not doing it the right way. So what I'm going to do is to come to this session. I already have a VPN over here, so I'm going to sign in that VPN. I'm going to select or turn on that VPN. If not on this Chrome, I will just open another Chrome over here. I think it should be this one over here. So let me select that and then come to this session. I already have a VPN connected to this over here. All right, so let's use VPN called Planet VPN. So they have their Chrome extension, so I'll just have to click on that and it will take me to the Chrome browser web store to um add that to my extensions. So I'll come to the section where it says Chrome extensions web store. So what I'm going to do is it says the item is not available. I don't know what exactly happened, but I think if it's not here, it will be here. So let me click on that and then see whether we can get the extension over here. So it says download for free, so we have to download the VPN over here. So download for free, right? Let me click on that to see if it's still available over here. It says it's not available, so let me browse in their stores. All right, so if this browser is not available, you can just download any VPN and it will help you, or it's going to show you a lot more about that VPN. Also, let me come to the section where it says um okay, let me open another one. All right, so I'm going to use this platform called Tunnel BA VPN. So I'll leave that link in the description below. All you need is to click on that and it's going to land you on the platform like this, or you're going to help you search or get a VPN very fast. So I'll add it to Chrome over here and then hit on add extension over here. So all right, so after doing that, all you need is to pin that VPN over here. So I have a lot of Chrome extensions over here, so you can see this is the urban VPN that already installed over here. So what I'm going to do is to come to this section where it says click on that and it's going to open the platform for you to sign up to this platform. I already have an account, so I'll just have to come to this section where it says existing account. So I will click on create a new account. So over here, so let me click on that. Let me type in my password. I have to create a new account over here. So hit on save, and then what I'm going to do right now is to come to this section where it says verify your email address. So I'm going to verify everything just to get some bundle to do that, and you can go ahead and purchase this VPN onto your computer. It's very good, it helps a lot, but I'm going to show you the reason why all these things are not converting for you. So I'll come to this section where it says verify my account over here. So this is it. I have to verify that. All right, so says this page is not working, so I'll come back again and then hit on verify. Okay, it says email verified. So what I'm going to do right now is to come back to the Planet VPN platform by just clicking on it again and come to the section where it says turn on over here. So I've turned on my VPN right now, so I'll have to cancel everything right over here, close everything on this browser with the and leaving the Astera dashboard over here. So what I'm going to do right now is to come to this section where it says direct links over here. So I'm going to create a new direct link over here. It says add direct link, and you can see you can leave it or you can just hit on that, just remove adults because you are trying to do YouTube videos. So I'll just have to come to the section where it says create and you come to this section. So after leaving it for some time, you see over here it says direct link pending. So I'll come to the session and refresh that account right now. So after refreshing the account, I think the direct link will be ready for us to go out there to promote. So whenever you receive a click on this direct link, you are going to make money on that. That's how a Stera direct link helps you to make money. Also, you see over here it says active. So what I'm going to do is to copy this link and then paste it in my browser. So I have pasted it. So if I try to open it over here, you could see that it says anonymous proxy detected. That means that Astera has partnered with some platforms that are very secured enough, and they will not allow you to use any proxy server or any, if the platform or VPN that you're using is not all that strong, they will not allow you to do that. This is the reason why most of us are not making money online from CPA marketing. And if I continue to go by this platform called IP Score, ipscore.io, even though the platform will show me that I'm in the United States because I've already connected to the United States, but still, let's check the results that this platform is going to give us. ipscore.io. So you can see over here it says compromised server, and you can see it's not green, it says compromised server over here. So if I refresh, I think it's going to give me another IP address. So let's check whether it's going to give us another IP address. Even the IP address is very static over here, and you can see this is not green. So if you check everything, you can see whether you can see it says fraud score is 69%. That means it's very, very high. And you can see proxy says true, and then American, Unique, and then United States, and all these things are being listed over here. This tells you that this platform is very secured enough to trigger anything. And if you come to this section where it says this is the ISP, internet service provider, so you can see over here it says Limestone Network. So let's check for this platform over here. Go to Google and search for Limestone Network. Let's check what they do over here. So so let me click on that. I just want to know much about what I'm talking about right now. Yes, if not, most of you are not going to believe what I'm talking about over here. So this is it, and let's go to the section over here. It says about or our company. So let's go to the about section and hit on our company over here. So we've devoted, so let's check what they are going to, what these people do over here. So you can read more about them over here, and you get to know that these people are just very solid. These people just provide people with this this VPN proxy service. So they've been red flagged by all the CPA networks that whenever an offer is coming and the network or the ISP is coming from this platform, that means that the person is using a proxy server to enter it, so they should block it. So Astera has partnered with these top security platforms so that they can help them to make money and then protect them from getting fraud, getting invalid clicks on their direct links. So the reason why most of your offers does not convert if you try to use proxy servers on this platform is what I'm talking about right now. So this is the reason why most of your offers are not sometimes recorded. Your clicks and everything are not recorded on your dashboard. After you've tried so many times, they are not recorded, just because the servers that you're using or the VPNs that you're using has been reflagged by all these platforms over there. So whenever they see any offer coming through, or the ISP of that whenever you try to do anything with that ISP, internet service provider, they will get to know that you are not from the right or the country that you are trying to claim that you are in. That's the reason why sometimes all your offers are being rejected and you are not being paid. So if you want to avoid this, just go ahead by buying a proxy server, not using VPNs, but rather using a proxy server that is going to help you. That's very simple for you to make money online. If you try to use a proxy server, that means you are going to bypass all these things. So if you want to make much money on the internet, avoid stinginess, and then try to sometimes invest into whatever you are doing, and it's going to help you a lot. So If you have any question, don't forget to drop down in the comment section, and in my next video I will show you the best process service you can use to do any marketing or any CPA marketing that you want to do in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys.